Hey you guys, welcome to Math Today. Today is Tuesday, November 17th. How do you make 17? Do you remember? 17. First is a 0. No. First is a 1, then is a 7. I was writing a 0 at the same time, which made me want to say 0. Okay, we are going to talk about something new today. These things are called a number line. What's it called? Number line. A number line helps you to see the numbers in order. Okay, so it starts at 0 and it goes to 10. Something important about number lines is it shows you what number comes before and what number comes after. So if you have 5 and you say what number comes before 5, before is first, so that would be the 4 because 4 comes before 5. What's the number that comes after 5? That would be 6. So sometimes when we do our math problems, we're going to be doing, they'll be asking us questions like, let me show you, get another piece of paper really fast. They might say, what is 4 minus 1? Okay, 4 minus 1. Remember, minus means take away. So if you have 4 things and you take away and you minus 1, it's basically saying, what's before 4? Okay, so if you have 4 things and you take away 1, now you only have 3. So you can use a number line to help you with your math problems. So don't forget that this little sign right here, it's just a little dash, that means take away. That means subtract, or the best way to explain it is take away. So if you have 4 things and you take away 1, 4 minus 1, that would be 3, because you have 4 things and you take 1 away. But if you plus 1, that's add. So you're going to put another one with the group. If you have 4 things, let's say you have 4 teddy bears, and you add or plus 1 more, then how many do you have? 5. Okay, so those signs are really important, and we're going to be doing those today. So go ahead, my friends, and take out your math facts today. Remember, if it's plus 0, then you don't add anything to it, you just keep the bigger number. And if it's plus 1, you're just adding one thing to it. I think that what might be helpful today is if I do the math facts with you, and then tomorrow we'll practice you guys doing it again on your own, okay? So let's do it together. Top row, it goes 1 plus 0, so you have one thing, you don't add anything else to it, it's still 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 5 plus 0 equals 5. See how I'm just keeping the bigger number because we're not adding anything to it. We just have 5 things and we don't add anything to it. It's still 5. 0 plus 7 equals 7. Next row. 2 plus 1. Now we're doing plus 1. So you're going to do the next number in line. Ready? 2 plus 1 equals 3. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 8, take the bigger number, which is 8, and add 1 to it. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ew. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Next row. These are all plus 1 again. 1 plus 7. You tell me. 7. Nope. I messed up. Is that okay? Yes, I mess up sometimes. 8. You can just cross it off and write the right number. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 1 plus 6, what comes after 6? Equals 7. 1 plus 9, ooh, this is a big one. What comes after 9? 10. 0 plus 1, 0 things, and then you add one more thing to it, equals 1. Okay, doubles on the bottom. Ready? 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 8 plus 8 equals 16. That's keen. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Lean. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. Hey, my friends, I know that sometimes it's kind of tricky to remember all of these things in our heads. That's why we do it every day, is to practice, okay? So if you struggle with one of them, like my one that I kind of struggle with is 8 plus 8. So I think about that one a lot, but it's okay if you're missing them, okay? Because we're just trying our best. We just want to do this is what I say in class, do your best, and then the kids say, and forget the rest. So it's okay if you mess up. It's okay if you get one wrong. You just cross it off and make it right, okay? That's how we learn. That's how we do our very best. Next thing is our math paper, homework number 44B. Oh, okay, so it's on the homework side. Write your name. Okay, number 1. Write any number that is between 21 and 26 when you count by ones. Let me just make a little number line really fast. Okay, I made a number line starting at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. It's saying we need to write a number between 21 and 26. Okay, between means in the middle. So you could pick any of these numbers and it would be right. 22, 23, 24, 25. Those would be right numbers, okay? So I'm going to choose 23. 23, 2, 3. All right, number 2. The children in room 2 have 4 tennis balls and a kickball to use during recess. They have 4 tennis balls and a kickball to use during recess. Write a number sentence to show how many balls they have. How many tennis balls did they have? 4. We're adding them together, so use the plus sign. Plus 1 more equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. How many do they have? 5. Okay, you're going to need your crayons. These are called line segments. They're kind of like the graphs that we had from before or the towers. It's just a line showing height, how tall or short something is. So trace the longest line segment with a red crayon. Which one is the longest or the tallest? It means it goes the farthest. That would be the second one. Next, you need your yellow crayon. Trace the second longest line segment with a yellow crayon. Which one is the next longest? To me, it looks like this one right here. See? Because it's the next one that's the longest. So the last one, trace the third longest line segment with an orange crayon. Get your orange. Which one's the third longest? So the next tallest. Here's the tallest, next tallest. Then right next to it, we've got that one. Trace the shortest line segment with a blue crayon. The shortest, okay? Don't get tricked. Shortest with the blue crayon. Smallest. Trace the second shortest line segment with a green crayon. We only have one left, so we know it's that one. But we can look and see which one's the second shortest. Okay, just a couple problems down here. Now, it's doing the minus. Remember, minus means take away. So we're going to, on our number line, sorry, I have so many papers in my hand right now. On our number line, if it says minus, we go to the number before because we're taking it away. So right here, 5 minus 1. 5 pieces of candy. We eat 1. So now we don't have as many. We only have 4. 5 minus 1 equals 4. This is just practice, so if you don't know it, just write it with me and we'll just keep practicing, okay? Next one, 3 plus 1. 3, and then we're adding 1. Plus, go to the next one. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 7 minus 7, take away. We have 7 pieces of candy and we eat 1, so we only have 6 now. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Look at this. You can have minus problems and plus problems that equal the same number. 8 plus 8 equals 16. That's keen. 9 plus 0 equals 9. Okay, some more minus problems. We're taking them away. 8 minus 1. 8 take away 1 equals 7. And then 2 plus 1 equals 3. Nice work, you guys. Do your best, okay? Do your best and forget the rest.